We began with some information about this car. It's starting a journey with 18 gallons of fuel. We are assuming a constant rate, and it's consuming 0.04 gallons for every mile driven. We're letting A represent the amount of gas in the tank in gallons, and M represent the number of miles driven. So we're asked to write the linear function that models the relationship between the number of miles driven and the amount of gas in the tank. So we've got two ways that we can show this. Both of them will begin with A equals, because that's the amount of gas in the tank in gallons. You can either think of it as we begin with 18, and from 18 we subtract 0.04 gallons per mile, or you can think of it as A equals, and you can put what you are using per mile, the consumption, and then to that you can add the 18 that's in the tank as you begin. Either of those is fine. These are equivalent expressions or equivalent equations. So either of those would be acceptable linear functions that model the relationship between the number of miles driven and the amount of gas in the tank.